Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. After that, tap on the volume panel and you'll see here the notification volume panel. Just to mute notifications, you should swipe to the left, that's blue dot with your finger, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button with your finger and click here on the three dots. You will find here also the volume panels. Just slide to the down on this volume panel, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.